Hi guys! So, welcome back to our channel. So, for today's video, akala ko meron akong meeting sa aking isa pang part-time job sa 5-1 Talk, pero ay wala pala. Tomorrow pa pala yun, which is Sunday, March 2. Today kasi is March 1. Kakatapos lang ng aming branch meeting today. Nakaka-inspire yung isa naming UM. Sobrang galing niya talaga. Sobrang sipag niya. And ayun. So later meron kaming training mga rookies. So attend ako and yung ate ko. So get ready with me lang. Hello guys! So for today's video, on the way na ang mga person sa training namin, rookie hangout. So let's go. Outfit check. Yan. Siyempre ako naka-fru. Siya naka-collared para naman formal. So yan, nagpagas si kuya at kung kailan malalate na ang mga first training. So let's go. Hi guys! Samahan nyo kaming maligaw. So naglalakad na po kami and papunta na sa Pru House. May kasama kami. Shout out! So ayan. Let's go. May kasama. Buti na lang may kasama kaming maligaw. Outfit check. Outfit check. Let's go.
Ay, video. So, ayun, kada date kami. Ligaw-ligaw. Okay, sige. So, right before, ayan, so 2013,
So guys, yan, dito yung CR. So ito yung CR ng girls. So this is it, pansit. CR of the girls. Ganyan lang. CR tour. CR tour. Meron silang ganito, guys. May tissue, tapos may trash can, may ganito, faucet, tapos may ganito, oh, bongga, aesthetic.